All right, what is up, guys? I'm gonna go over some of the new stuff that we released this week. Yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing is we're launching a bunch of new citations, probably by the end of this weekend. So if you go to localrank.so/citations, if you're already a pro member, you can see here. So it's under growth, and if you're under any of the pro plans, so either starter, professional, or enterprise, we're gonna add 100 more domains by the end of this weekend. So basically, if you already have a business, you don't need to change anything. We'll just slowly roll them out. But if you want them faster, what you can do is you can delete the business and recreate it, and then it will have all the new citations. So we're adding 100 more. So I think the total should be up to, I think it's 300 or 400 now. So that'll be stated somewhere on the app. But yeah, we're adding 100 more citations. So the next thing is we've improved the scan history a lot. So if you go under scan history, we've made it a lot more clear. So now you can see which of your scans are reoccurring, and what you can do is you can click on previous scan, and it will show you all the previous scans. So this one we just created a few days ago, which is why it says no previous scans. But if you go to this one here, it has a lot of other scans that have ran in the past, right? So you can go in here, and then it'll open up when the scan was run. So here again, you can click on all the other previous scans. This is like pretty useful if you want to compare how the rankings have improved. So you can do that, and then also we have this compare scan feature, which is like you can compare two scans. So just paste in the scan ID, and it'll allow you to take a screenshot, and then you can show your clients. If you have any issues with these features, just message support down here, and they'll be able to help, and we'll fix it pretty quickly. And then yeah, the next thing is local leads is live. So if you go to leads, you can see your credits up here. We've given it like 5,000 credits to anyone on the the growth plan. So if you're on growth, this was just a bonus, but basically we've given you 5,000 leads. So if you're on this plan, the pro plan or the enterprise plan, you should have received your free credits. And what you can do is you can go into leads and search for certain industries or certain like locations. And the other thing is you can buy packs. So basically there's like specific industries that if you want, we'll do a custom scrape for you across all of the major US countries or the major English speaking countries. I need to fix that, but yeah, if you click on here, it should be able to work. So yeah, basically you click on this and then it'll allow you to check out. Let's see. Yeah, so these are the major things that we rolled out, and then some of the things that are upcoming is in business, we're gonna have like an audit feature. So when you add your business, there's going to be an ability to audit the business in terms of like reviews, citations, and other stuff that you can do to improve your rankings. So this is coming, and we're trying to make it a super like shareable audit link where you can like share and like run these audits either like daily or weekly. So hopefully this will help you close more clients. But yeah, this is one thing that we're working on that should be rolled out hopefully next week. And then the other thing is this feature called Review Booster. So basically this is like a feature where it lets you follow up with people that have used the business. So the workflow would be that you would print out like a QR code for the business, and then people that go to that business can scan the QR code and put in their email and phone number, and then after they put in those information, we're going to send up follow-ups for them to leave a review for that business. And this will be pretty key because when the person when that business gets more reviews, it'll naturally help them rank higher, and then hopefully that'll help the client retention for you guys. So one extra thing that we rolled out that I forgot to mention initially was if you click on the pins. So this is for the scans that are in the scan history. So when you run a scan and you go to slash history, you'll see all your scans, right? What you can do is you can click on the scan itself, and then this cool feature that we've rolled out is you can click on the scan, on the pin, and it will show you all of the businesses that are ranking at that location. So this is like the actual real-time business ranking. So you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, right? And then the other thing is, let's say it's a reoccurring scan. What you can do is you can go to the previous scan, and you can see what business was ranked higher there. So this one, it was just a test, but let me see if I can find a real example to show you guys. Here, let's see this business here, and let's say we want to check a business scan that we did a few days ago. So you can click on that, and then you can click on the pin itself, and it will show you. So this is real time, like the real history when it was actually scanned. So this will give you guys a lot of perspective, especially if you want to like go through the history and see like which businesses were ranked at the top at the time of the scan. So yeah, hopefully this feature is useful. The UI is like a bit messy, so I'll probably clean this up. But yeah, if you want like any like features or any suggestions for these two features, review, booster, or audit, just message support, and we'll probably incorporate it into the feature when it's rolled out. So yeah, these are the features. Let me know if you guys have any like suggestions. Oh, also we have this like live demo. So if you like bought the sub and you still have like issues kind of working around the software, you can sign up for a demo, and I'll like be happy to hop on a call and just help you guys use the software and improve the UI and UX. So yeah, those are the main things, and I will see you guys next week.